Hello again, welcome back. If you remember that we are creating our toolpath for roughing process, and after that we can turn to the actually and right view or front view, sorry, and after that we can easily trim that toolpath. So let me use the right mouse button and for actually this part, mill toolpath and the trim toolpath, and after that we need to select our profile, and then we can need to actually click and which side we should keep here. I just need to hit this one and we can select our toolpath, and then I just need to hit OK button. You can see that construction plane is not parallel to tool plane error we can get, and after that when we hit here you're gonna see that everything seems fine after the trimming and process. So yeah, I think that's enough. But if you can say that, and actually we have enough time to see all that stuff, so you can, and you don't need to trim your toolpath actually if you want. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. After that we can also turn to the finishing process. We can organize our finishing process, and then we can also use the mill toolpath and transform toolpath, and we can also rotate our toolpath. So which toolpath we should rotate? This one actually. We can turn to the mirror options. So oops, sorry, not mirror, and we can turn to the rotate, and the rotate options we're gonna see the 5 toolpath. We're gonna start from here with that degree, and then we can recalculate and our toolpath, so we can rotate all that toolpath. It is calculated right now. So let me wait here. Yeah, it's calculated. Okay, so let me turn to here and rotate options. We just need to make them 6. You can see that we cannot see actually trimmed and toolpath here, so that's why you're gonna see that's kind of toolpath actually. So this is my trimmed toolpath actually, but when we use the transform and the rotate options, we cannot select actually trimmed toolpath. So this is another challenge for and maybe MasterCAM. So let me recalculate my toolpath. Yeah, actually it is also possible to and use some macro program. Actually you don't need to rotate all that toolpath in the MasterCAM. You can use this one, not that toolpath actually. You can use this one. Okay, this is the trimmed path, and then you can also turn to your CNC and create your actually maybe create your the macro program to organize that kind of stuff. Anyway, but we can create our toolpath like this. So okay, and let me delete the trim part here. Okay, and after the deleting process, let me recalculate my toolpath, and we can create our roughing process for one channel. After that we can rotate our toolpath for all of them. So it is calculating right now for each process. Yeah, actually it's done. Okay, that is my toolpath. Okay, so yeah, you know that there is some problem here. Maybe we should turn to here, and we can activate our coordinates plane is a 5 mm with absolute coordinate, and then we can recalculate our toolpath, and then we're gonna solve that problem, I think. Yeah, it's perfect. And after that, actually, you can easily create your finishing process, for example. And let me create my, and maybe surface finish and scallop toolpath maybe we should use. And we can turn to the, oops, we can turn to the here to select all that spaces and hit the OK button. And then we can organize our boundary like this one. This is the scallop toolpath actually, and we can create some ball and mill. It can be 3mm diameter. Maybe we can organize our feed rate and cutting speed, and then we can turn to the here. It can be 3 to 1. We can also activate clearance plane with absolute 3. Stock drive on the drive can be 0 to 0, and then we can turn to the scallop parameters. It can be 0.2 mm. We cannot see any depth limits. We can optimize our cut order. We can use actually follow surface options for actually our and transaction method, and then we can calculate it. After that, actually, we can also turn to, this is the tolerance approach actually. We can also change that, and then we can easily turn to and rotate options. Let me organize my tolerance like this one, and then we can recalculate our toolpath, and then we can use right mouse button, mill toolpath, and the transform options. We can select this one and the rotate operation, 6 rotate operations starting from 0 to 60 degree as an incremental, and then we can calculate it. Yeah, okay. And after that process, we can solve all that actually a problem, and except this area. Maybe you should solve that, and you can also solve that problem actually for finishing process. You know that maybe you should also turn to turning operation. Maybe you can easily handle that problem by using the turning operation. Anyway, let me save my file.